going to be doing a DIY video where I'm going to take these scraps of jeans and turn them into this top. I did not use a sewing machine because I don't have one, but I hand sewed all of them, and it took me quite some time, but I guess it was worth it. So if you're interested, then watch this video and I hope that you like it. These are two pieces that I have left with me. As you can see, I had cut into a flat piece, so I'm going to do the same to the other leg. I'm going to try it and make all my markings for the length and the width. Now I'm going to cut all the extra fabric off and then seam the borders. To make it fit better around my chest, I'm going to make 2 dots on either side of the top under my arm. Then I'm going to hem all the remaining sides as well. Now I'm cutting the extra fabric from one of the sides to make both of them equal. For the back, I had these 2 pieces that I cut from the original piece to crop the top, and I'm going to place them like so to make a closure at the back. After cutting all the extra fabric, sew the back flaps onto either side like so. To secure the back, I'm going to use these blouse hooks. I did not want the thread to show at the back, so I decided to place all the hooks on a piece of fabric and then stitch them on later on like so. This gives a cleaner look at the back and does not show small pieces of thread hanging out. Now I'm making the loop on the other side of the flap so that the hooks can secure onto them. To make the straps, I took whatever remaining fabric that I had and cut them into squares and then stitched them together to make this long strap. I folded them inwards and stitched all across to make a proper seam. After marking where and how long I wanted my sleeves to be, I just sewed them on to the back and the front. And that's it, you're done. This is how the top turned out to be, and I'm probably going to wear it sometime.